Say Mokwaba, Adom TV, Badwam Studio, Fiada de bro, Yadanite Kwase, and in Quanshan, some and so. What they are Brian, some see near de bro, Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, near to your Umubi, Ya Ubati, and Yashani Mo, Sana Ochi Besimono, a buying for to send the media budget and on some banan, some ponebe bano Copac, Copec for at one some atuja, Yabaco, na yade a bro. Suyiri ya esie ewo memu mfiemi ensani ukọ eye adansemanya enipa nso de wormoto wadananum nsie do eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase hweme live ewo Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no eye 119 DSTV channel no ye 280 bidin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den nsem ni nkyeremu ankasa etie Checheni de Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, eternity ase Copec. Oradan kan amwa de kokobo won mo den ma ban no. Se ye hwe ni mu se media budget no de bebreye na otwe ebesimu no won hwa na wanfato ofoforo anto eye petroleum enema bia so ente sade ne obete yenka woni amane boni Prince Usasiedu ekasai.
Ese ye bisa ye hu nsem bi se e ban sen na afe awofo eye ntoboa e di aboa school adenti awofo eye ntoboa di boa school ne se sika na se afi aban ho e ba be ye nyema na amabobọ so no sa sika no emba the sa sika no emba nso a e affect adekere ani adesua e wo school no mo enti na awofo eye nyema ya omodi boa school na mo se ye ma omo hu kwan so omo ngiska na so omo ngiska na omo di ma headmistress master na headmistress de ogi aye sika na gie na nye na so amofo gisika no na di ma headmistress as donation mo se omo issue school receipt to cover the money na sika no ba de be na di sika ye so be bia ese GES any Ministry of Education e bisa question say adwuma na ese omo ye de efa sika no ko schools no on time no omo ya na na sika na ya ejiji nso no die ben na ya disika ni ye jam obi disika na na. Oh, that is the question. I say nyina ye bisa ye ho. So ye ka say interdiction of was headmistress no enye no kwan no enti omofa na djuma ma no no monye investigation throughout the whole nation. And she says, can I say the co schools no? Sikano eco schools na enco schools no. Miniamu senior high school education Badwam. Badwam very, very, very fast. Yan here private schools na ajidin wo basic schools no. Eni bi ebe start say ebe ba wo senior high school.
Enti anyway ora Angel Kabunu ya wa president Eda Nagrat ene Nagrat de to Ghana Education Service nimsa was headmistress no a ye na free school no so omo samfa nbra na de wo mu di gina so eyi na free ho na ekoso wo ba bia nti no no omo hwe enka ho asema yento akase no so na yenkwa yensam foforo mu na security expert Adib Sani enso de to abano animse wo mu anonom no bone enenam enkransa aseso no yebambo mu no yetoto no asenti safo ni nyina nka be ya aban enhwe na yenyi won mu nyina mfa free ekwan no ho oni Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi
omo de overhead na se na omo ye fi ma zoom lion esan be pia ekoguo na ade san omo beguo mo soso mu twam mu twam koba
omo hwe no mu nyi se nipa ni nyina mfrase obi firi ba bi oman foforo bu mba oman mu no behu said the president na enyefe
yetuanamon any security expert a friend Adib Sani ekotwetwe nkomo ebisa no edefa womanfo a womunum enubone a womugu enkruma circle interchange na se no anamon esese oman ne etu edefa na nsema Adib Sani editu dwane se
the fact that omun ni ejuma so human insecurity. But on the fiscal security part, ebimu bebre omu use omu for special operations. Omu services are very available for people. Nipa omu be refer ebimu ma omu. So for example, obi pese obi ku, obi manual. Then they are the people to go to.
Ensem fufuro mu no Adom News nsentwofo etu wo mo hyen pa ede wonu ani ekire ye Kaneshi Odoko Accra Academy Senior High School nenim bus stop bi e wo ho no womanfo a womo epra ekwan mu bi efi a womo aprapra no efi no eda so egu pavement no enchen enam so ama womanfo ede border enso abepe so ehon so no womanfo a womo etwam bi no won a womo eton ade wo ho no ensem sei ana womo de tu dwafa
ye de aha ne ma emefo bi na omopra ha omoso se aketua ne mma enti sisi ama omo ejai ena company bi so ya handle ama omo na omoso omopra na omo eje egu ha na eya ka ba befa bet enye de bia na eba ka ne ba nti eba sa amanfo etwem omo ina de omo bola ebebo ano egu ha obi kura na egu hwe eda ka number say bola begu ha sa na ha adwen pa.
Secretary Dema Chamber of Petroleum Consumers COPEC Duncan Amoa say aban hwe ye na mid-year budget no a wode breye na wotwe besimu no wamfato foforo anto petrol ene ho eniema so one prince osasiedu edin komoyi
nti se menye na wo so obeye enkoto tax mu ba bia taxes ni bi nenam no ye di ho nkomo se nkomo hwan supo ba ko bi da so e friend special me ko to ya tax na ya san de ba ko ato so special ban eje wonim ni ode koye sa obeda be sorry na yes ya nkote tax so na emom ya koto mu dia na yes finance ministry ni mpanyimfo ya no mayo madwen se Ghana fo ahokyere e na omde ebekomu edru ho enye COPEC nko Ghana fo a omo gidi sa ahokyere beba na yin na ebe akoda ho said the bond fo ko a omo COPEC no yen ni mpeketen ye kwa ye koda because kana ede be fa ka akofie na bia na yenya nti ye kodru no anya ma ye dia ye beda ho
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso etie no adankora besa 20 die nsuo amene no ewi akire wo mo ade esi ho nso animu ho wontumi emfa ho je so de atwede ene foro ade ko ufie emena so nipa nso ensuyiri mu atwo na no nsia do wei eye mfie miensani ya akoso wo Adanseman community no Waga South mensini mu e won kramantami mu
twa mesi aha mu nsupa nsupa na afa nipa aha nsupa down ha fiti ha mo ade kosi down say epie wo ACC ehom nyimpa afọ mo kura more than by 7 nyimpa afọ school fun keten top ya na nsenya afa akwala bi nkwala mienu school boys efom edom kogu China mo home ni omuka che nkwala no nti sisi ya go to we dey ye need aban so yes lesen ka aban betumi abaya man pa esa next time the month asam papa eden abubu wo sa baba dogu home lai no en de anya kura nti sa aban ankasa omahu ya mobode a ene anhwa ye nti asam papa nti ya slaban MPP aban omahu ya mobo no omaya mahe
the gutter now first this place was a road where the cars passed to the top but right now the rain has spoiled everything so some of the people were living in the house but because of the erosion they go to another place so this place we are afraid maybe more years to come we don't know that we can even stay for this area.
Na we Anaga South Municipal Assembly enso ede ato Adom News Central fo enim se womanfo ehawo a womo de ato dwa no eso sneom gise womo kọ abankesiem na womo etimi enya no aduru ensemfo from womanfo ede to dwa ne se osofo no no hwe aka kwan so amoako ata ene osofo no no hwe enyuma ene adan esie so abehye womanfo ebo se womo beba beye womo akwan ede amom nanso besi ne womo enti se odogobi enu abe
National Intelligence Bureau and one more actual receptionist and a personal aide Dema Kane Northern Regional Chairman Dema MPP Bugri Nabu Ninano Efa and near Babontia one more junior social say IGP in a free attitude so Adom TV it was
so honestly before we reach there that incident has already happened and what I heard was there was a gun firing and cutlasses. They have even wounded some of our people, and the glasses of the tricycle, they broke them, they destroyed them. So, and what happened today is, this is not the first time. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the third time that is happening. whenever that incident happens, they'll go and call those people. They are not part of the task force, but
Yabepesa eneno na yedi abromo ma yento so na yenkwo yensam foforo emu na regional minister Dema Oti Joshua Makubu ene wodi ato regional chief director se wontwe Nkwanta South municipal coordinating director Joseph Abugri ene David Okuaki ya wono environmental health officers no won montwe won mo aso se won mo anya wa sede anya wa adwumenti enkrofo mu your friend is saying dead bodies. Yade ababeto Nkwanta South Municipal Assembly no enim che say saye ni ehun Adom TV kase etwaso.
The Regional Security Council yesterday, we are not well versed into the local government, their terms of what conditions and there may be measures of what addressing.
So honestly, before we reach there, that incident has already happened. And what I heard was the
Regional Security Council yesterday, we are not well versed into the local government, their terms of what conditions and there may be measures of what addressing issues like this. So your recommendation is a Chief Director of the Oti Regional Coordinating Council to consult all the relevant provisions, any what they call rules and regulations. Now on come out, looking at what has transpired, what punishment, what punitive measure, what action, what caution can we take to ensure, say, such an issue will not repeat itself in any other assembly in the Oti region or in Ghana.
Municipal Chief Executive for Nkwanta South enso edi tudwa se anamo a omanfo etuye eyade a womo epese womo edi se ni din.
Me mpese me ka se sabotage. Nambu se dia medical kan no. Okwan omo fa so edi di omo jima no. Adwuma bia e wo ne hise ne mra. Obreni e kind of principles, any rules as coordinating director, as environmental health officer, I will name the effects of exposing dead bodies in the presence of the public. It is unprofessional. It is unprofessional. It is unprofessional. And he said, Obenin Ekai, you know, Kwambia was a Ediomo Efaso, according to Mrana Omodi Yejuman. We follow those things and then you hear from us.
Koko Kriafo, ya wamu kwa Osuben, kwa South, Mensimu, wa Poyamanta Monso de. A warning, a more day, a crowd de ama or hino work room, and a man seen more cratchy penny for. So one more dreamy be a 1 yapes, 1 more 2 galam say 1 potamo hondi, Unyai, Adom Cassie, etwaso.
Edia kama Ghana, a bank at the sea. One was also Obian to go, Obian Yabasabazanko Seko, Vuanin as a 4. IGP, Ontiabi, Sansuna, Commander or Ontiabi. Yako, Subin for the CMP go to be our hat.
Mayan, and Yako Pitua, it is also mobile madness, so I hear about my fancy, Yametico Corner, and to Woodia, and Yajuma Ebetono, Mempe, if it's a Madria Coco, my Yarim. Sese amwo me nana no na me ma an me wukura me di akire e jawam na ye betu koko ya enkwara no so be den me mpa gold na samukura kuem ya ya ngobo
na bra Adom News nsentwofo ene ohene ono ene wo mpatem ho no nana eje sasu debra etwetwe nkomo no wodi tudwa se ensem a ekuafo ede tudwa yi nukura bia enim
me ni mpanefo nyina ekuafo obia okoko eti sa ensemo omo ka se yesi ebetu galamsi abese ensuo ne kwa bese nkofo kokoko no ena kwale bia nim
MC Awoko South Municipal Assembly Imano Ata Ofori Senior enso editu kuafo enim se womuka omakoma ento omyem enam se enyade a assembly no ebefo aso ama omanfo yi abetu agudie e wompatem ho
mi nana no behia especially odikuru awo osubi na machi mafre assemblyman so ni we say ni so dia ho bisa ho no waso ati nti omuka makoma nto yem se nyamiti haidie jibia omuka fa ho bia in fact minim ho asem
Deputy Speaker, Ora Joseph Osewusu, and a nay, one also did not want to be a study, nay, a Koso 8th Parliament, one more Jumaya or Parliament House on Yamini, it was snake, and your fence, so, no, any.
In my 15 years in Parliament, there was not one of consideration time that we had more than 30 people in the chamber. But we have cooperated over the years because we understand the challenges.
The Krakra and Oswafo will share a JDA and in Fidijumaso, Katie Hammond, and in Rasibi Jenny or Watermali Central, Edward no eto Sansi Mimubi.
Supreme Court did explain. We have a quorum for doing the ordinary business of the House. We have a quorum for taking decisions. But then when you have a quorum to take decisions in the morning and the members break out to do committee work, you don't expect all of them to remain on the floor of the House. But if you insist that they are there, then clearly we won't do anything. But mind you, quite a lot of the business of the House takes place at committee meetings.
Chief Whip to whip his members to come to the chamber. So you cannot fail to discharge that responsibility and then tend to blame the NDC as having the agenda to frustrate the business of the House. If he had whipped his members into the chamber, I don't think that we would have gotten to where we got to.
MPP ekwo maybe ena ne one more abo onsese akopie mu Alisa Hotel no one more stress one penny for super delegate congress ne de omufo nko ba bia obia betumi aba ho bia yen nyase bia kokko mu ade bia Adom kase etoso
of the special voting is not what we are not in favor for. We are not supporting that.
So, are you? Do you hold any position in the party?
Oh yeah, I've been a police station executive before. I was the chairman in Odobiodio. I'm working for one of the aspirants, but I'm not mentioning.
Are you sure you're not being influenced by the aspirant?
No. I've told you, we are basically MPP people. We are not supporting anybody.
Okay, so right now we know that the Allen camp has petitioned for it to be centralized. Do we know the Allen camp has, petitioned for it to be centralized? Are you, demonstrating on or protesting on the back of that?
No. We also have our concern. Different from what Allen has done. You can see the members. Nobody bears the shirt of Allen. We are sending a message that we are basically MPP people. We don't want a situation where somebody can use any other means. Because if the thing is done in different regions, there are so many things that we on that we cannot manage. Let us decentralize. Let us centralize at one place, congregate at one place, and then we do it.
Mayanto Adom TV Kasiano so na yonkonsem foforo mu na ohene wono ana hemfo wo nima family wono dani futa ano no ye dwamtene so the Council of Zongo Chiefs Alhaji Sariki Louis and ne was asumdue emfa ne ntomapa efra ewo nima fisa hinsemu wantwu bi eboboba ewo ho.
On July 5th, 2003, Malam Futa family nominated and installed Alhaji Muhammad Sarifat as chief of Nima with the support of the chiefs and the entire community of Nima. We, the people of Nima, have lived with our chief and have organized our affairs together in peace and tranquility all these years. We are therefore sending a stern warning to the head of the local family and surrogates that enough is enough. We will not entertain any insults and disrespect, and that it does not lie with them to choose chiefs or leaders for Nima.
Enwechi Ibrahim Babakaru ya oye balanka hene enso ene Adom kase etwetwe enkomono toto sere bambofo se adawroma wo mre mu se be ya somdwe ebeba ema wontwen sementi mu wase be sori ansa na wo mu abepra somdwe
ye ka kyerem se omu ye inua ye muslim woni unia BBC mutema ye komhye ye mamu 3 days mun sam back na muntina no mu ye ni yie nti ye inua mo akoye sade no ya bue ye dos omombra back na ye ntina na yen hwede na Quran kae de na ye komhye no man so kireye na yen fa ye dwuma na bibia ndade